Ever since I can remember, I've always been attracted to a full moon. But a full moon has so many benefits for our garden, as our grandmas and granddads already knew. So I'm going to take advantage of this time and do some harvesting while the moon is still out early in the morning. Let's see what we got. All right. I got some lettuce going down here, but I'm not sure what's happening with it. Beets, radishes, broccoli and Brussels sprouts looking good, but it's not quite time to harvest yet. Dinosaur kale is one of those crop and come again plants, and I've been doing just that. This was some cabbage that I had over this summer, and I left a piece of it, and look at it. Now it's getting a brand new head. 2 new heads. Now about these Chinese mustard greens, oh my God, sweet, tender, whew. Some garlic and onion bulbs around the edges. And I don't want to sound too proud like it's my doing, but y'all look good. A little more onion never hurt around your greens. Look at that. You see it? It's coming, it's coming. And that is gonna be a big one. Think I'm gonna start harvesting some more of these mustard greens to make me a nice little pot. Pick the greens in the cool of the early morning, and they're gonna be super tender. They're gonna be tender anyway, but ooh, I can't wait to dig in. Y'all, can you believe I'm growing stuff in my garden? And is shaped like a heart. Come on, your food will tell you what it's good for. I'm so excited about this harvest. I'm gonna cook and eat these beet greens also. Add them to my mustard greens. They're gonna be great. And I got another 2-legged carrot. a 3-legged carrot. My goodness. I love nature stuff. Now there's some rutabagas growing back here. Like I forgot. I'm gonna go back and get them because I'm gonna cook those greens also. But look, it is huge. I think one is really good to harvest, and I'm gonna let the other one go just a little bit longer. And look at that. I grew these for my mom. I am not a fan of rutabagas, but here you go, girl. And check it out.
Now let's take a look.
Man, this is a bounty in my book. Beets, radish, carrots. Oh my gosh, mustard greens, rutabaga. Don't forget we're going to use the greens from the beets and the rutabaga to, and look, now we got a mess. And yes, the colors really are this vibrant. I did not retouch this thing. It is under the kitchen light, so maybe fluorescents make a difference, but I've never seen fruits and vegetables in a store look this vibrant. Wow, I got a few things to bag up here. I'm gonna make sure I save some beets for mom and dad, but the rest of this I'm gonna juice. Okay, fall, you win. You got me. Fall is officially my favorite growing season of the year.